Take out the wipes and the case from the package. Peel off any other screen protector from your phone. Use the wet wipe to clean the screen, to make sure the screen is free from dust. Use the dry wipe to remove moisture and remaining residue. Separate the front cover from the back cover. Peel off the inner backing, and snap the front cover onto the screen. Place it into the back cover, and press the sides to seal the edges. Remove all the remaining backings. Jam your fingers beneath the phone edges, to separate the back cover. Remove the front cover from your phone.